So, we are here at Gratitude Botanical Farm. We've got Chris Lemons, who will be definitely telling us about the rich goodness that we have out here. And take a look. Over there beyond those trees is the perimeter. Yes, that's right, the perimeter. 285. Can you believe it? So, look, there's so many things that you can find in agriculture and in this agriculture space. But a lot of people don't think about it. This is in the city. Urban agriculture is where it's at. Come along with us. Let's go.
So for what we grow out here, we grow organically. We grow fruit, flowers, vegetables, and herbs. And you can get an idea of what Atlanta looks like in such manner. I'm sure you all maybe noticed, some of the flowers and different species that were up as you all were driving up. Gratitude is part of an ecotone between, I guess, a meadow and a creek system. So back in the back, there's also a creek here, so y'all can walk back there and just, take all the space in today. This is a passion flower. This is where passion fruit comes from as well. Y'all have a chance to taste and observe and see some of those when we get back over to the table. On this site, a lot of people use the terminology permaculture. I don't use that terminology, I use indigenous science. Permaculture is something that I kind of take as a pejorative because most of the agricultural techniques and most of the food that we enjoy throughout the world is indigenous to the tropics and the people of color of the world. It's definitely a place of peace and enjoyment and fellowship, and for other people to have a place of peace and come to just be outdoors in a real space.
Don't know me, I am Dee. I'm the owner of Mobile Bar ATL, a traveler and bartending service. For today, I have a flavored lemonade stand for y'all. I actually brand with a company called Perfect Puree. I don't know if you guys ever heard of them, but they're a puree company out of California. So they have gluten-free, vegan, all-natural puree. So I brought some here today to do custom lemonades for y'all. So I have a green apple, a peach ginger, an apricot, a mandarin tangerine, and a sweet hibiscus.
Cheers.
Same flavor, right?
Yeah, same flavor.
Oh, that's amazing. This is really good, and it's really sweet.
Delicious, y'all. All natural. You gotta love it.
First of all, Chris, we want to thank you for everything that you do for basically our community, but not only that, giving us a place of peace and giving us a place where we can come and really explore and enjoy ourselves. So, with gratitude from us here at the farm tour, everybody who's a part of it, Aglanta, what have you, we give you a gift of gratitude from us to you for your phenomenal work that you do. Go and crack that all the way open. Let's see what you got there.
Yeah, 21 rose.
Dude, look at that.
Peace and much love to you, man. I appreciate y'all coming out today, man. I really do. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna join y'all.
Outdoor Fresh Farm. We getting ready to get into this outdoor street fest, outdoor fresh fest. It is going down. Let's get into it.
an amazing Saturday. I am so happy that I can be a part of this. We had black comedians. We had a rapping farmer. Come on now. We've got black beer. We got black everything here. It's fantastic. Thank you, Kim, for inviting me. Blue Scorpion, Justin with Atlanta Eats. It's been amazing.